Hello everyone. As in the previous video, yesterday we started the practice set 1.2 and in that we completed question number 1. From question number 2 we solved first sum. Now second and third problem is near about same. So today directly we are going to solve the fourth sum and we are going to draw the graph. Okay. Now we will take the first equation, that is 3x minus y equal to 2. Now first of all what we will do, we will arrange the equation. So that is therefore 3x is equal to 2 plus y. Now we will substitute the value of y. आता आपल्याला y ची व्हॅल्यू अशी घ्यायची आहे की ती 2 plus 2 केल्यानंतर त्याला 3 ने डिव्हिजन केली पाहिजे. So in such a way we have to substitute the value of y. Okay. So we will take 2 plus 1. So that 2 plus 1 is 3 and this 3 will be divided by the 3x. So that is equal to 3x equal to 3. Therefore x equal to 3 upon 3. So the value of x, that will be 1. And the value of y which we have substituted, that is also 1. So x 1 and y 1. Okay. Now we will find out the second point. 3x equal to 2 plus y. So that is equal to 2 plus, now see here we have already substituted 1. If we take the value of y as a 2, then 2 plus 2, that will be 4. 4 will not be divisible by 3. Okay, so we will substitute the other value and we will take it as a 4. So 2 plus 4 is 6. Therefore 3x equal to 6. So x equal to 6 upon 3. So x equal to 2. And y we have substituted, that is the value y equal to 4. This is our second point. Okay. Now we will calculate the third point. So 3x equal to 2 plus y. So 2 plus. Now we will take the other value. If we will substitute the value, that is if we will take a 5 plus 2, that will be 7. So it will not be divisible. Then we can take some other value. We can take it as a 6. If we will take the 6, what will happen? That will be 6 plus 2, 8, or 6 minus 2 will be 4. So again it will not be divisible. We will take the negative value, that is minus 5. Okay. So 2 plus minus 5. So 2 minus 5, that will be minus 3. So this minus 3 is divisible by 3. So x equal to minus 3 upon 3. So x equal to minus 1 and y ची व्हॅल्यू आपण काय घेतलेली आहे, y equal to minus 5. So this is our third point. Okay. Now we will draw the table of this equation, that is 3x minus y equal to 2. Draw the 4 columns. Yesterday as I told you, 3, 4, and place the values in the table. Okay. So we will now place the values, that is x, y, x comma y. See the first point, x is 1, y is also 1, 1, 1. So here it will be 1 comma 1. Okay. Second point is 2, 4. So 2, 4. So our value will be 2 comma 4. So here again third point is x is minus 1, y is minus 5. So it will be minus 1 comma minus 1. Okay. And this table is of which equation? That is 3x minus y equal to 2. Okay. Now we will take the second equation, that is the 2x minus y equal to 3. 2x minus y equal to 3. Now again we will arrange the equation, that is 2x equal to 3 plus y. Okay. Now we will substitute the value of y. First of all we will take it as a 1. 3 plus 1. So 2x equal to 3 plus 1 is 4. Therefore x equal to 4 upon 2. That will be the value of x, that will be 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Now value of y we have taken as a 1. So y is 1. This is our first point. Okay. Now the second point, that is 2x equal to 3 plus y. Now we have taken plus 1. We can take minus 1 also. So 3 plus minus 1. So 3 plus minus 1. 3 minus 1, that will be 2. So 2x equal to 2. This is our, 2x equal to 2. So x equal to 2 upon 2. So x equal to 1. And the value of y which we have substituted, that is the minus 1. So this is our next point. Okay. So these are the 2 points we have calculated. Now we will move towards the third point. That is 2x equal to 3 plus y. Now we will take 3 plus 3 we will take. We will substitute the value of y, that is the 3. So 2x equal to 3 plus 3 is 6. X equal to 6 upon 2. So the value of x is 3. Y we have taken, we have substituted the value of y, that is 3. So this is our third point. Now what we have to do? We have to draw the table again. Make the columns. You draw the table in your notebook with the help of scale and pencil and substitute the values of x and y. See now, x, y, x, comma, y. Okay. What is our first point? 2, comma, 1. So 2, 1, 2, comma, 1. Second point is 1, minus 1. 1, minus 1. So that will be 1, comma, minus 1. Third point is 3, 3. X is 3, y is also 3. So that will be 3, comma, 3. Okay students, now see, as you can see, we have calculated the points x and y. Now we will draw the graph. See, now we will write the equation here. This table is of equation 2x minus y equal to 3. Okay, so as you can see, we have calculated the 3 points of each equation. Now we will draw the graph. Okay, now we are ready to draw the graph. As you can see here, I have drawn the graph, the two tables of the two equations, that is 3x minus y equal to 2 and 2x minus y equal to 3. You can see I have the x-axis I have drawn, y-axis I have written the points or the coordinates 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, even the negative points. And you can see that the scale I have written at the top, that is 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit on both the axes. So don't forget to write the scale. If you will not write the scale and if you will not write the x and the y axis, your marks will be reduced. So be careful. You have to write all those things. Now I have plotted the points. I'll just explain you how I have plotted it. See, now the first point of the first equation, that is 1, comma 1, x-axis 1 and y-axis 1. See, here is the x-axis 1 and y-axis here 1. So I have plotted the point here 1, comma 1. As you can see here 1, comma 1. Our second point is 2, 4. X-axis 2. Okay, here is x-axis 2. Y-axis 4. You can see here y-axis 4. So x-axis 2 and y-axis 4. So this point I have plotted 2, comma 4. Our next point is minus 1 and minus 5. X-axis minus 1 and y-axis minus 5. So you can see here x-axis minus 1 and y-axis minus 5. So I have plotted this point minus 1, comma minus 5. As you can see it here. Now this is the, and I have joined through these 3 lines. I have drawn a straight line. Okay. Now we will move towards the equation number 2. 2x minus y equal to 3. Here our first point is there, that is 2, comma 1, x-axis 2 and y-axis 1. So you can see here 2, x-axis 2, y-axis 1. So I have plotted this point 2, comma 1. Second point is 1, comma minus 1. X-axis 1 and y-axis minus 1. So you can see here y-axis minus 1 is here. Okay. And x-axis 1 is here. So 1, comma minus 1. So I have plotted this point. Next point is 3, comma 3. X-axis 3 and y-axis is also 3. So this 3 and x-axis 3. Okay, so I have plotted this point. I have joined all the 3 points and I have drawn a straight line. And now both these lines you have to extend up so such that they will intersect with each each other, and you can see here that the first and the second line, both the lines are intersecting at this one point, that is -1 comma -5. So the solution of this equation, that is x comma y, that is equal to -1 comma -5. Okay, so this is the solution of this equation. So in this way, by using the graphical method, we are able to find the value of x and y. Okay, now we move towards the next sum, that is 3x minus 4y equal to -7 and 5x minus 2y equal to 0. This is our second equation. Now we will solve one by one. First is, that is 3x minus 4y equal to -7. Now as I told you that we have to arrange the equation. -7 will take this side, so that it will become +7, and -4y will shift towards the right hand side, so it will become +4y. So therefore 3x plus 7 equal to 4y. Okay. Now we have to substitute the value of x in such a way so that it will be divisible by 4. So therefore 4y equal to 3x plus 7. Okay. Now we will take 3x. The value of x I have taken as a -1. So 3 minus 1 plus 7. So that is equal to 3 ones are 3. -1 is there. So -3 plus 7. Okay. So therefore 4y equal to -3 plus 7, that will be +4, because here our greater number is 7. So 7 is having plus sign. So our आपल्या आन्सरला पण काय येणार आहे, +4 येणार आहे. आणि मग y is equal to 4/4. So y equal to 1. आणि आपण x ची व्हॅल्यू काय घेतलेली आहे, -1. ओके, ती सबस्टिट्यूट करायची आहे. सो x equal to -1. Okay. Now this is the first point. Second point, that is 4y equal to 3x plus 7. Okay. Now I will take 3 into 3. I will substitute the value of x, that is 3 plus 7. 3 3s are 9 plus 7, that is equal to 16. So 4y equal to 16. Therefore y equal to 16/4. So y equal to 4. And the value of x, what I have taken, that is the 3. So x equal to 3. This is our second point. Okay. Now the third one, 4y equal to 3x plus 7. Okay. Now I will take 3, the value of x, I will take it as a -5 plus 7. So 3 5s are 15, -15 plus 7. See, while substituting the values or which number we have to take, you have to decide that now here I have taken as a 4y, we are having as a 4y. So you have to substitute the value of x. x ची व्हॅल्यू आपण अशी घ्यायची की ती 7 मधून प्लस आणि मायनस, प्लस किंवा मायनस केल्यानंतर आपल्याला 4 ने त्याला डिव्हिजन देता आली पाहिजे. ओके. सो -15 plus 7, that will be -8. So 4y equal to -8. So y equal to -8/4. So y equal to -2, and x I have taken as a -5. So this is our next point. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to draw the table, draw the 4 columns and write the coordinates of x and y. Don't forget to draw the table even in the exam. Many times the students, they just find the points and they directly draw the graph. So if you will not draw the table, again your marks will be reduced. So be careful, you don't have to do such kind of silly mistakes. So here now first point was x is -1, y is 1. X is -1, y is 1. So here it is -1, 1. Okay. Now here what I have taken, x is a 3. Second point, y as a 4. So it is 3, 4. Here it is x is -5. Third point, y is -2. So it is -5, -2. If you want, you can put the brackets. So in this way we have completed our first equation. Now equation number 2. 5x minus 2y equal to 0. So minus 2y will shift towards the right hand side. It will become 5x equal to 2y. Now substitute the value of y in such a way that after multiplying by 2, it should be divisible by 5. So I will take 2 into 5. So 2 5s are 10. 5x equal to 10. Therefore x equal to 10 upon 5. So 10 divided by 5, you will get it as a 2. Y I have taken as a 5. So this is our first point. Okay. Now second point. 5x equal to 2y. Similarly, I have taken plus 5. Now I will take minus 5. So 2 into minus 5. Sorry. 2 into minus 5. That will be minus 10. 5x equal to minus 10. Therefore, x equal to minus 10 divided by 5. Okay. So after dividing, you will get x equal to minus 2. And y I have taken as a minus 5. This is our second point. Now we will move towards the third point now. 5x equal to 2y. Now if you see the table of 5, because we have to divide it by 5. If you see the table of 5, we will see that 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. Now in the table of 2, 15 never comes. Okay. 5 4s are 20. So if you take 5 4s are 20 means what? We want 20 means आपल्याला काय करायला पाहिजे? y ची व्हॅल्यू आपण जर 10 घेतली तर तो 20 होईल आणि मग त्याला 5 ने डिव्हिजन जाणार आहे. मग आपण जर y ची व्हॅल्यू 10 घेतली तर ग्राफ मध्ये 10 प्लॉट करायला आपल्याला प्रॉब्लेम होणार आहे. म्हणून आपण काय करायचे? वी विल टेक 0. Instead of that we will take 0. So 2 into 0 that is 0. 5x equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 0 upon 5. So we will get x equal to 0 and y is also 0. Okay, so this is one point. Now what we will do? We will draw the table again and we will place the points. Okay, so x, y, x comma y. First point is 2 5. Okay, so 2 comma 5. Second point is minus 2 minus 5. So minus 2 comma minus 5. Third point is 0 0. So that will be 0 comma 0. And we will write the equation here. 5x minus 2y equal to 0. So this is our table. Now we will draw the graph. Now we are ready to draw the graph. As you can see the two tables of both the equations, that is 3x minus 4y equal to minus 7 and 5x minus 2y equal to 0. I have drawn the x and y axis. Now we will plot the points. First point of first equation, that is minus 1 comma 1. So minus 1 on x axis and on y axis, that is 1. So minus 1 comma 1. So I have plotted minus 1 comma 1. Second point is 3 comma 4. X axis 3 and y axis 4. So you can see here 3 comma 4. This is our second point. 3 comma 4. Third point is minus 5 comma minus 2. X axis minus 5 and y axis minus 2. So you can see here minus 5 and minus 2 on y axis. So this is our third point, that is minus 5 comma minus 2. Now this line is of which equation? That is 3x minus 4y equal to minus 7. So we will write the equation on this line. 3x minus 4y equal to minus 7. Now we will move towards the second equation. 5x minus 2y equal to 0. Here our first point is 2 comma 5. So x axis 2, y axis 5. So you can see here 2 and 5. So I will write the coordinates 2 comma 5. Second point is minus 2 comma minus 5. So x axis minus 2 you can see here and on y axis minus 5. So this is our second point, minus 2 comma minus 5. Now third point is 0 comma 0. So you can see here is our origin where you have to plot our 0 comma 0. So this is our third point, 0 comma 0, and we have to join all the 3 points by drawing a single line. Now this line is of which equation? 5x minus 2y equal to 0. 5x minus 2y equal to 0. So we have to write the equation on the line. It's very compulsory. If you forget to write the equation on the line, then the examiner will not understand whether which line is of which equation. So it's very important that you have to draw the lines and you have to write the equation on those lines. Okay, now we have completed the fifth sum. Now one more problem is there in this exercise. Sixth sum is there, so that you can do it yourself. It is similar to the fourth and fifth. If you will study the fourth example which I have explained and this fifth example, so if you will study fourth and fifth example, you will be able to solve the sixth example and draw the graph. If you have any doubt in that sixth example, you just comment it. I will try to clear your doubts. Thank you.